Hey guys, it's your girl Forwell Fitness, and I'm here with another really great leg day and core workout that you can do. And what these are called is seated crossovers. So we're gonna sit down on all 8, and you can have your hands any way that is most comfortable for you. I have them out in front because that's where my weight is going to be mostly. And what I'm going to do, one foot at a time, is I'm gonna kick out, cross over, come back, kick out, cross over, come back, kick out, cross over, come back, kick out, cross over, come back. Now, I'm sitting into my edges, so you see that as I'm crossing over, I'm trying to work my edges so that way I am not rolling all over the place. But these are a really great stationary move, especially if you do derby or anything else where you really need to get control of your edges. And there you go, you can see it's not always perfect for me. So front crossovers or seated front crossovers. And there you go, we go up, over, down, up, out, over, down, kick out, cross over, come back down. And there you go, guys. Have fun, keep skating.